Fun facts about USA. Which country flag is this? USA. The United States of America is the world's third largest country in size. The official name of the USA is the United States of America. The U.S. is made up of 50 states and a national government in Washington, D.C. There are over 5,300 universities in the U.S. Americans are the first and only people to walk on the moon. There are also 2,474 state parks. Popular city's name in USA. New York City, Los Angeles, Chicago, Houston, Philadelphia, Phoenix, San Antonio, San Diego, Dallas, San Francisco, California. What is the national bird in USA? Bald eagle. What is the national fruit in USA? The blueberry. What is the national flower in USA? Rose.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.